Hello everyone, it's Noel from Noel's Nook, and I'm back with my 30 Days 30 Ways series where every day we'll paint or color the same image in a different way every day. Today's theme was metallics, but before I can get to layering all the fun, glittery, shiny colors, I'm just doing some ink wash practice with values. Instead of laying the frisket like I did yesterday, I went right into it, just being wary of areas where I wanted to keep the paper white. Again, I wanted to focus a bit on the fine details of the horse and create a fur texture using a dry brush against the paper. Just like last time, I'm gonna hang back a bit for a couple of moments. You guys enjoy the show for a little bit, and I'll check back with you in a moment. Before going in with the metallics, I decided to use white acrylic ink to add highlights where I needed them and allowed it to dry. Then came the fun part. Not only was I curious to see how well the ink would adhere to the paper, I was also curious as to how the metallics would show up on the ink wash areas. My attempt to add silver on the muzzle with my Niji palette failed brilliantly, but at least I know now. The Kuretake pigments worked super well, however. Adding the gold was the highlight of the entire process. I focused all the gold mainly on the shaded areas to give them pop. I love how pigmented some of the colors in this palette are, as well as the opposite. For example, the lighter colors are less pigmented and are very sheer, and that's nice if you only want a hint of color, but they are quite buildable. Overall, I love how this turned out, and I hope you do too. And remember to draw what you love and love what you draw.